I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Python programming. In this video, I am going to discuss Boolean operators in Python programming, the significance of Boolean operator with suitable examples. So first of all, I will ask one thing. What do you mean by Boolean operators? Yes, you might have heard about like a true or false, like a logical operation, like a different type of logical operation, either true or false, like a high or low. That means Boolean operators in Pythons are used to perform logical operations on Boolean values. Either it may be true and false, or truthiness or falseness of expression. This is actually the meaning of Boolean operators in Python. And also we can perform like a combine, negate, or manipulate the Boolean values to make the complex logical decision in your code. It is mainly used for like a decision making purpose. That is a application of Boolean operators in Python. What are the type of operators which are used in Boolean operators which are used in like a Python programming? Logical and, logical or, and logical not. These are the three important type of uh, primary, we can say primary Boolean operators which are used in Python programming. We'll discuss individually. If I talk about like a logical and, so first of all, you have to study the truth table of the and, logical and. So you'll be getting the output. If two inputs are high, you will be getting the output as high. That means what I can say is the AND operator, as you can observe, the AND operator returns true if both the operands are true. Otherwise, it will return to false. You can see this. So both the input are false, output is 0. One input is false, other one is true, then output will be false only. If one input is true, other input is false, output will be false only. If two inputs are true, obviously you will be getting the truthness output, true as an output. It returns the first false value it encounters or last true value if both operands are true. Here A and B are considered as operand, Y is the output. So there is a simple program to perform the operation of a logical AND. Here you can see X and Y. X is denoted as true, Y is denoted as false. Then if you perform the operation like X and Y, here you can see that output will be stored in result. In the result will be obviously false only because one input is true, other input is false. Output will be obviously false only. Here 0, remember that 0 represents false where 1 represents true. This fact you have to remember. Accordingly, you have to follow up. In digital electronics, you might have studied about different type of logical gates. Okay, now we'll solve the program. So I'm using a Jupyter notebook. So let me type the program. Okay, now let's run the program. So here I did not put any like display comments. 100. Like display the result. Now we can go for run. Yes, the output is false only. Okay, we have verified already. That means true and true. If you write, output will be true only. True and false, output is false. False and true, output is false. If false and false, obviously output is false. Here also you can verify. True and true. Definitely output will be true only. So we'll write true and true. Let's see the output. Yes, of course, output is true only. Similarly, true and false. Check the output. Output is false only. Like that, you can verify. Now we will see about logical OR. The OR operator returns true if at least one of the operand is true. False if both operands are false. This truth table gives the operation of OR gate or like OR operators. You can see that if output is both the inputs are like false, output is false only. If any one of the input is true, obviously output is true only. Here there is a small correction. Here it must be one only. Okay, remember this. So here both the inputs are true, then output also will be true only. Here I made a mistake actually. It would have been read as one only, high. Okay, that means true. So only the false condition. This is only the false condition. Rest of the conditions are true only. So this is an example. See, x equal to true, y is equal to false. Then X or Y, if you perform the operation, you will be getting the true operation. Now we'll see that, how it works. Let me type the code, display the result. Okay, so now we'll run the program. Yes, you can see in see X equal to true, Y is equal to false. Then if you go for OR operation, you will be getting the true result will be true, correct? So like that you can verify. So this is a another statement related to OR. True and OR true, output is true. True or false, output is false. False or true, output is false. False or false, output is false. You can verify directly in your interpreter. You can directly verify. If I talk about the logical NOT, it's just like a NOT operator. It negates, flips the Boolean value of the operand. Suppose if the input is like true, output will be false. If the input is false, output will be true. Like that, there is a flip. Okay, like opposite, negate. It's a negation. If the operand is true, then NOT makes to false and vice versa. Here you can perform the operation of logical NOT. I will show you how to do that. Now you can check it up. So I have typed the program. Now we'll see how the NOT gate operate. Display the result. So let's see how it works. So the input is true. Obviously, you'll be getting the result as false. This is the way how the NOT operator works. Here is the elaboration of logical NOT. See, not true, that is false. Not false, that is true. So this table also you have to read. So there is one statement, one simple program. If you want, you can operate it, how it works. Okay, what is a different type of operation you can verify. So in case of Boolean operators, these operators are fundamental for constructing complex conditional expressions. Okay. Then decision making, like there are different type of multiple condition. You can go for like decision making. So it controls the flow of Python programs. So that is the significance of Boolean operators. Also, it is normally used in while loops and for loops for creating the logic and decision making process for your code. So mainly for controlling of the program. That is why we are going to use Boolean operators. It is mainly dealing with the true and false statement. You might have studied in mathematics. Okay. So this is the way how to perform the Boolean operators in Python programming. So in this session, I have discussed about the different type of Boolean operators and how to make a simple programs using Boolean operators. And the operation we have verified by using one of the interpreter called a Jupyter Notebook. If you have any queries, please do let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video.